UiPath for coding agents lets you troubleshoot and resolve automation failures by simply describing the issue in plain language. In this example, I have an automation that enrolls new hires into our benefits portal. Overnight, the vendor made a few interface updates, and the automation started failing. By morning, I have a list of failed queue items and new hires who urgently need to be enrolled. Instead of spending hours on root cause analysis, I use UiPath for coding agents. Here, I'm using Claude Code, and I ask it to investigate the last failed job. The agent starts investigating and runs a triage. It finds that there's a UI automation selector issue. Although the job itself shows as successful, every queue item failed because of a stale selector. The agent runs a scope check, generates a hypothesis, and tests it. Then, it presents a resolution: update the selector in the source file, enable Healing Agent to recover this automation from future UI changes, and reprocess the queue items. The agent asks me to confirm before proceeding. After I approve, it gives me a status update and notes that I can turn on Healing Agent at the process level for all future jobs. With UiPath for coding agents, troubleshooting now takes just a fraction of the time, and I can quickly get automations back into production.